A fine design. Always practice subtraction. Every reduced line will add unimaginable difficulty technically. For instance, of a wall turning into a window, what components can brace its elegant kinetic line, such as a door up to 1 ton? How to operate quietly, stably, and continuously several decades. A fine design needs powerful technical support. We discard the conventional industrial process. With integral corner, connect with mechanical corner joint process. Introduce high-speed train laser seamless welding technology to ensure that the seam never cracks and maximize the toughness of doors and windows. We have redefined the design concept of profiles. By using refrigerator door foaming technology, fill the cavity wholly, just for a quieter and more insulated effect. We have developed over 95% of hardware components independently to ensure such oversized, overweight, and minimalist doors and windows can operate safely, smoothly, and silently. The entire series are equipped with fingerprint child lock. Reduce unnecessary injuries caused by wrong operation. Concealed intelligent anti-pinch sensor module. Immediately stop the window if its frame is touched, thus providing more protection for your family. A fine design comes from the highly integrated intelligence. We have designed gas and smoke sensor modules, which adopts professional and high-quality heating sensors. When gas or smoke triggers the alarm value, it'll automatically send window opening signal. This is a carbon monoxide sensor module, which can calculate the concentration of carbon monoxide in the air. When the carbon monoxide concentration is greater than 50 parts per million, the alarm value is triggered. Doors and windows will open automatically. This is an oxygen sensor module, according to the principle of the electrochemical gas sensor. When the oxygen content in the air is less than 18%, an alarm will be triggered and ventilation will be started automatically. This is a smog sensor module. When the particulate matter in the air exceeds 200 micrograms per cubic meter, doors and windows will close automatically and a signal will be sent to the fresh air system. Of course, Defender also has temperature, humidity modules, and alarm modules, which are integrated in the Defender Control Center, which are integrated in the D Center. As they were, the integral intensity determines the intelligence height. A fine design comes from its internal and external cultivation. This is a separate rainfall sensor module. Using inductive sensing mode to detect the rainfall, when raindrops fall on the sensor surface, it will output signal and the command is executed to close the window. This is a dog mode. When a danger comes near the window, the searchlight bar will emit a high-intensity flash and transmit signals to you and your property company while completing the warning instantly. Protect your life and property. We provide a variety of ports connected for intelligent extension. Defender this moment. She is not just a window or a door, but a sole messenger of a changeable space. Defender, the pioneer of intelligent safety doors and windows.